Okay, so now we took a loss, which is a little bit weird to be honest. I was pretty confident in this trade here. This was the trade. Would have been a 2.8 RR trade or so. Um, but yeah, let's go over it real quick. So, overall bullish, right? Bullish. The only thing that I'm a little concerned is that it does the same thing as it did here, right? Spikes down, spikes up, then does a rounded. Um, top here goes down and then rejects off to 50% and then spikes up. It looks a little bit similar here, right? Um, so I don't know what it's gonna do, but I'm just gonna be like a robot. If it stops me out again, I just learn from it. But for today, we are break even because I took a oriented trade here. But yeah, so what I'm looking for here right now is just, or what I've looked for is a Model 5 break, um, spike up, spike down, reaction off of the 50 and or the upper limit here, then push up. However, ES was looking pretty shit, to be honest. It did the same thing here, but um, as you can see here, um, trend changes of trends usually don't look like this, or I'd say good changes of trends. Um, like I could have sworn that this would not go to up here just by looking at it. But MNQ was looking actually pretty good here. We had some consolidation here. Um, but yeah, future learning will be really look on ES. Um, and if I don't feel it, like for example here, like I was super sure that we're like, if I only would have traded ES, then I wouldn't have taken a trade here, even though like we had Model 5, we had a change of trend here, right? Like a robot would have entered here, but I would not have. I wouldn't have. Um, I might actually have to maybe create some good entry, I'd say entry patterns, because I can remember that I actually wrote something about that or said something about this, that switch like this. I think I actually recorded a video, um, but you don't want to have change of trends like this. This is not a good sign at all. You want to have like consolidation ones, right? Something like this, or you want to have a double bottom. These are pretty good signs. Also here, I mean, this is looking way better here. It shows me that we are reacting kind of, right? We're slowing down. Um, and what is this actually? Yeah, I did not take any entries off of this. Did I? Oh, I don't know. I don't really know. As you can see here, also we are overextended again. So yeah, I could have taken yeah, why I'm on gold right now doesn't really matter. But I'm gonna just look for another, maybe another entry here. I just hope that the trade idea is good overall, that the overall direction like is, I'd say, bullish, because it still could happen that we just like push down here. Also, we made a big sweep here, so it could just rip down. And also on ES, we already kind of did not touch, but we went in the say region, the upper limit. So this could be a sign that we're just gonna reverse to the downside. But other than that, I think it's still a valid setup here. Sideways break up, retest. I mean, it's pretty simple. Otherwise, if it breaks that to the upside, I think we will go at least to the 45%. So This will give us some nice room, and also now we broke it. Let me just check if we are in a nice level there. We are in the 60s, that's pretty good. Um, and also this is kind of like the trend that could have worked with, but yeah, I mean, it's alright, because it's the lowest low here. It's the low which broke the overall trend. Um, no, this is the low, but this is like the lowest low. So technically, yeah, sure, can do that. Um, but yeah, I also would not expect it to go back down and then whatever. So if we have a good reaction to the upside, ideally we break this high, then I'm gonna enter. And yeah, we will see.